This is the recent Nifty chart. You can see here Nifty started going upside, making a strong uptrend, and suddenly mid-afternoon it started reversing and started going in the downtrend. This is the Bank Nifty chart. You can see that Bank Nifty opened with a strong up move on one side. Many people must have started taking a long position thinking that it's a strong up move, and you can see that suddenly Bank Nifty reversed and people who went long, all they got trapped. And that is what the objective of today's video of 5 ways how I identify trend reversal. Many people might say that you should always follow the trend and trend is your friend. Yes, I agree with you. Trend is your friend and big money is made by going with the trend, not against the trend, right? But same time you should also agree that from past few months market has been moving in zigzag movement, right? Going up and down. It starts with a big downtrend and suddenly reverses and starts going up. Or it starts with a uptrend and then suddenly reverses, right? So there is no clear trend intraday from past few months. Now let us do one thing. Let us go to June month chart of Bank Nifty and let us see how many days we had a trending day in entire June month. This is the June 1st. June 1st was not a trending day. It's a kind of reversal day, right? And June 2nd also reversal day, zigzag day. June 5th is a sideways day. June 6th is a sideways day. June 7th is a sideways days. June 8th is a reversal day. June 9th is reversal day. June 10th sideways day. 13 June is a sideways days. 14 June is a sideways days. 15 June is a trending day. Alright, you can see that 15 June is trending day. That means in the entire June month, first trending day came on which date? 15th of June. Alright, next let us see. This is not a trending day, sideways days. This is a kind of trending day. Right, so we can see two trending day. This is a sideways days. 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 This is a sideways days, and this is a sideways days. So entire June month we have seen only two proper trending days. So that is what I say, that even though trend is your friend, but you will see very rarely trending days. So what I have observed with my experience being a day trader is that market behaves differently when VIX is very high and market behaves differently when VIX is very low. Currently VIX is very low, everyone knows that. In such time, most of the time I have seen either market stays sideways or market makes a zigzag move. So that is what the objective of today's video. I am going to discuss 5 points how I identify where trend is going to reverse. So watch this video till the end because you are going to learn many new things in today's video. And the first point, how I identify when trend is going to reverse, that is at the opening first 1 hour I see how market is behaving. That is based on initial balance. I look for the levels of first 1 hour and the first 1 hour is 9:15 to 10:50. For first 1 hour I see what is the base. If initial balance is very big, that means there is a chances of trend reversal. Initial balance means first 1 hour. If first 1 hour base is very big, then I expect trend reversal. So if 9:15 market opens and start making one-sided parabolic move for first 1 hour, then I know that it is not going to be a trending day. It is most likely to be a reversal day or sideways days. I like to sell call option at the top, expecting market to reverse or stay sideways. Now let's go to the chart and let us discuss this in more details so that you will understand it better. What is the trend reversal based on initial balance or based on parabolic? That means first 1 hour is the initial balance. First 1 hour means 12 candles on 5 minutes time. If I see market opens and first 12 candles or first 1 hour makes huge one-sided move, that is called parabolic move. I will see if it is making non-stop up move or non-stop down move with a huge bearish candle, then there is a opportunity for trend reversal. That means instead of going short, I will be interested to go long. But you need a reference where you will short, right? You can't short just because there is a green candle. You can't short. For that, I look for the normally R1 pivot, or if it is in the down move, then I look for a bullish price action near the S1 pivot. So that is my reference point. Now let's go to the chart and let us discuss in more detail. Okay, you can see that this is the one example of parabolic. Market opened here on 4 and first 1 hour non-stop fall, right? Non-stop move on the downside. So where I will be prefer to take a long position here. Why? Because after a parabolic move, after a strong down move, there is a chances of market going up or sideways higher. I will prefer selling put option here because even though market doesn't go like this, and if market stays sideways, still I can make profit because of the theta decay. So this is more ideal for option sellers, especially near to expiry or expiry days. Option buying also you can make money by buying call option if it goes up, but every time it doesn't bounce like this, right? Sometime it can stay sideways like this. So such time option seller can make use of it. Okay, this is the one more example. You can see here Bank Nifty opened with a huge bullish candle and next 10 candles are only bullish candle, right? Will I go and take a long trade here? No, I will wait for a reversal. So I will wait for a reversal around this level after 1 hour. And when I see powerful red candles, I'll go short. So this is the trend reversal based on initial balance. First 1 hour, how much is the base? First 1 hour base. That means if it is a base is too wide, right? It's a very wide first 1 hour, then I look for a trend. If it makes a very small first 1 hour, very tight base, that means I will not go for trend reversal. I look for the trend on upside or down. And the second one which I'm going to discuss how I identify the trend reversal, that is based on daily time frame resistance. Though most of the time I trade based on 5 minutes time frame, but I also follow daily time frame charts. And most of the time I have seen if in daily time frame there is a strong resistance and market keeps going up in one side, and once it touches the daily time frame resistance, then there is a sudden reversal. And same applies in support also. If in daily time frame there is a big support and market comes down, then there is a chances that from there trend reversal can happen. And that is the second point where trend reversal most of the time happens near the support and resistance based on daily time frame chart. Let's go to the chart and let us discuss in more detail. If you see a daily time frame chart and there is a strong resistance here, there is a strong resistance. Next time, whenever you see market opened with a strong move on the one side, then there is a very, very high chances that that trend is likely to be reversed. Or there is a strong support here on daily time frame, and one day market shows you like it's a strong trending day, and when it comes to the support on daily time frame, big reversal can come, and here reversal can be very big. So that means option buyer can have an advantage here on days where reversal happens because of the daily time frame support or resistance. Okay, look at this chart, daily time frame chart in Nifty. You can see that Nifty made a huge move on the upside and it made a strong resistance here because next day market opened with a strong down move. Where it went to that resistance and reversed. Again, after a couple of days, again it took the resistance here, right? Let's go to smaller time frame and let us see what happened on that day. Okay, this is the 5 minutes chart. On next day, what happened? It opened with a bullish pin bar, started going up, made a fake breakout, and then reversed, right? And huge move on the downside. So that is what I was telling you, that option buyers can target on such days where trend reversal happens because of the daily time frame resistance, because you can expect a huge move. And again, after a couple of days, again, one day it started with a huge bullish pin bar, started going up and started taking resistance and reverse. So you can see that same black line which I shown you just earlier, that same black line, it also got reversed. And that also gave you big, right? It is also applicable on the support also. Same support and resistance. For example, you can see that this is the support on Bank Nifty, right? After few days, this red candle took the support exactly at that level and closed here. So this was the support. Again, it took the support. Let us see this candle where it took the support on this day. Let's go to smaller time. You can see that it started making a bearish candle. It made a breakout, went below it, made a fake breakout, then it started going. So this is the black line which I shown you on daily time frame. it made a fake breakout, then took the support and made a huge move. And can you see that how big move came? So had you bought call option on that day, you could have made a big money. And the third point is how I know that most of the time trend is reversing based on 20 MA. If the sloping 20 MA is like that and market also going in the trend, and if the trend is very strong, price try to stay below the 20 MA. But whenever I see that price is trying to break the 20 MA and trying to go above the 20 MA and candle closes above the 20 MA, that is an indication for me that most likely trend is reversing. So what I do, if I am in the short position, I square off my short position, book my profit, and I take a long position. You know that whenever trend is very strong, most of the time price stays below the 20 MA. If it is a 20 MA, price goes near the 20 MA and comes down, goes below and comes down. But in this method, how I will know that trend is reversing? If I taken a short position somewhere here, I'll hold on to the trend and only I will square off my position and take a reversal position for the reversal of trend if candle closes above the 20. Finally, a green candle comes and closes above 20 MA. That is a signal for me that it is a chances of trend reversal. Same applies when it is on the upside also. When trend is very strong, I will keep a close watch on 20 MA, and whenever the candles start making a bearish candle and starts closing below the 20 MA, then I will look for the shorting opportunity. Okay, this is, you can see that opened with a big bearish candle and it started going down, going down, going down. And somewhere here it started making a small candle, and this candle closed above the 20. If you went long and kept your stop loss below the candle, then maybe your stop loss would have hit, right? So that is why immediately it will not go like this. Sometimes it can come down again and again it can go up. So that is why I said if you have taken a long trade here, your stop loss would be below the swing low, right? So you can see that again it broken the 20 MA and then it started going. Whenever price is staying below the 20 MA, I will hold on to my trade. And when I say see price is closing above the 20 MA, then I'll square off my short position and I look for a reversal opportunity. Okay, another example, you can see that Nifty is going uptrend, looking like a strong trending day and started closing below the 20 MA. It's a indication for me that I should square off my long position if I taken a long position, and I should think about going short, right? I should think about going short because this candle broken the 20 MA and closed below it. But again, I was telling you that if it closed below, don't keep your stop loss here because your stop loss can hit. So your stop loss goes above this swing high. And now the fourth points, how I identify trend is going to reverse based on CPR. If you are following me from long time, you know that I am a big fan of pivot points and CPR. Whenever CPR is very wide, then most of the time I know that that is the day for trend reversal, not for trending day. But way to take a reversal trade. So most of the time I take the reversal trade near the S1 pivot or R1 pivot. That means if this is the CPR and market is keep going up and that day is a wide CPR, then when it comes to R1 pivot or it comes to S1 pivot, that is the most likely place where there is a chances that trend is reversing. Let's go to the chart and let us see a couple of examples. Okay, the next one is trend reversal based on wide CPR. That means whenever I see the CPR is very wide, then I know that chances of trending days are very less. Chances of reversal days or sideways days are very. So that means if wide CPR day, if I see that market starts going down, then I know that it is likely to go and come back to the CPR. It is not likely to go down. Such time, I will prefer to go long here rather than going short. This is the Nifty chart. Nifty opened exactly at the central pivot and started going down. And I look for the price action. When I see a bullish price action near the pivot points, then around this level, I take long position. Here, another example, you can see that wide CPR, right? CPR is very wide on this day and it opened with a huge bearish candle, started taking support near the pivot point and started going. Here, this is not a place to go short because chances of reversal is higher because CPR is very wide on that day. And the fifth and last point, how I will know where trend is likely to be reversing. That is based on a uptrend. Most of the time market makes higher highs. But when it is making lower highs, that is the indication that trend is likely reversing. And same in the downtrend also it makes lower lows. But when it starts making higher lows, that means there is a chances that most likely trend is reversing. Whenever trend is very strong, it keeps making higher highs. Higher highs mean higher highs. This all known as higher highs. So when it starts making a lower highs, that means it is not able to break this high and kept on making lower highs. That is an indication for me that trend is reversing. Same applicable on the downtrend also. When trend is very strong, it keeps making lower lows. When it starts making lower highs, so that is the indication that trend is reversing. Okay, you can see that it opened near the CPR and it started making a strong downtrend, right? It was making a lower lows, and after that it started making higher lows. So what is this indication? This indication is chances of trend reversal or end of this trend. So in such case, what you can do, if you have shorted somewhere here, then when you see that it is making a higher lows, that means book your profit. Okay, in this chart you can see that market opened with a gap down and then it started making a bullish candle, started going up. So you can see that it started taking support here near the pivot points. Then it started making a higher highs, and then it started making lower highs. So what is this indication? This indicating that trend is reversed. Limitation here is the exact entry is little bit difficult. So only it can tell you that if you have taken a long trade, you can hold on to your position as long as it is making higher highs, but it is making a lower highs. That means it is best to square off your position. So guys, these are the 5 techniques which I follow to know when trend is reversing, and this is based on my back testing on historical charts. So my advice is don't just follow whatever I say in my YouTube videos. Everything you have to do the back testing, then only you'll get the confidence. So that's about today's video. Let me know in the comment section how did you find this video. And if you want to learn more about day trading, then I have a day trading webinar called 25 Day Trading Strategy in Nifty Bank Nifty, where I discuss this kind of techniques and I discuss almost 25 strategies based on Nifty Bank Nifty on 5 minutes time frame. So if you are interested to learn more about day trading, then go below this video in the description section and see when is my next day trading webinar. If you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email. And recently I also launched a new course called 1 minute scalping strategy in Nifty Bank Nifty, especially for people who are interested to do scalping in intraday. So scalping course is based on 1 minute time frame. So go below this video in the description section and read the FAQ section. If you are interested, you can purchase that course. So that's it guys about today's video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then go below this video and hit that subscribe button so that you can get this kind of educational videos regularly. So that's it guys. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye and take care.